Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids. Today we're covering Alpha Tau Medical, ticker DRTS, a clinical stage oncology company developing alpha DART, an innovative alpha radiation therapy for treating solid tumors. As of January 14th, 2026, shares are trading around $6.56 with a market cap of approximately $559 million. The stock recently hit a 52-week high amid strong clinical momentum. Key recent updates: Alpha Tau just reported positive interim results from its pancreatic cancer trial, highlighting high disease control and immune preservation, with data set for presentation at the upcoming ASCO GI 2026 symposium. The company also submitted its first pre-market approval module to the FDA for treating recurrent cutaneous squamous cell carcinoma. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research. If you enjoyed this update, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more. Thanks for watching. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. See you in the next one.